Singapore will host World Economic Forum in 2021. The World Economic Forum will be held in Singapore rather than Davos in Switzerland in May 2021 because of COVID-19 pandemic. The annual meeting will be moved out of Europe in 2021. The World Economic Forum is an annual gathering of political and business leaders from across the world. This is the second time since 1971 the event will be hosted outside Davos. The event is usually organized in January. The World Economic Forum 2021 will be held in Asia for the first time. Singapore has been chosen as the new venue for World Economic Forum 2021 after having a careful consideration. It has been chosen since the country is largely successful in dealing with the COVID-19 pandemic. The organizers of World Economic Forum had decided in October 2020 to shift the annual meeting. The World Economic Forum will be organize its special annual meeting 2021 in Singapore from May 13 to May 16, 2021. It will return to Davos Kloster, Switzerland for its annual meeting in 2022. The shift in venue to Singapore will allow an in-person meeting. This will be the first in-person global leadership event that will address the worldwide recovery from the pandemic. World Economic Forum event will also comprise of a special virtual component. It will allow greater participants amid the travel restrictions. How Singapore will organize the event? Singapore has planned various virus safety measures such as on-arrival tests, pre-event and periodic antigen testing. It will also do the contact tracing of attendees. The World Economic Forum is based in Geneva, Switzerland. It is an international NGO which was founded in 1971. The World Economic Forum hosts annual meeting at the end of January in Davos in the Eastern Alps region, Switzerland. It brings together around 3,000 business leaders, international political leaders, celebrities, economists, and journalists to discuss global issues in around 500 sessions.